In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Authenticator app to add an extra layer of security to your online accounts. Whether you're securing your Google, Facebook, or any other account, two-step verification using Google Authenticator is a must. So let's get started. First things first, if you don't have the Google Authenticator app, you'll need to download it. It's available for both Android and iOS. Search for Google Authenticator and tap on install or get to download the app to your phone. Now that you have the app, it's time to link it to your accounts. Let's walk through how to set up Google Authenticator with a popular account like your Google account. Now simply log in. If you're logged in, just go to security, scroll down and look for two-step verification. You'll need to enable this if you're not already turned on. Once two-step verification is enabled, select the Authenticator app option from the list of available methods. You'll be prompted to open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. In the app, tap on the plus button or begin setup. Next, you'll either scan a QR code from the website or enter a setup key manually. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. If the QR code doesn't work, you can also choose to enter the secret key manually. Once you scan the QR code, Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit verification code every 30 seconds. Enter this code into the website to complete the setup. Once entered correctly, you'll get a confirmation that two-step verification is now active. From now on, every time you log into an account that's protected by Google Authenticator, after entering your password, you'll be asked for the 6-digit code from the app. And that's it. That's how you simply set up Google Authenticator to secure your accounts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.